Was that you on metal?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm lagging so bad. Oh my god.
They should just add dismemberment to this game.
Hey, yo!
So when I fucking kill somebody, I can see the fucking looks like Swiss cheese. It's on my MA8 too.
And I was like, alright, bud. He's a fucking with J-Way! How the MA2 feel?
Fuck my deck! I like how this game still says beta version. He's
prone right now. There's so many scabs, not even funny. He closed the fucking door. Walk through. Oh god. What the fuck is this shit?
And I started blasting.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting shot at. What the fuck?
Yeah. I forgot heals. I forgot heals.
Do they still get a bug here where they just spawn infinitely? They'll spawn in like fucking groups of 5.
Oh, dude. They
It's like a fucking militia.
No, dude, he closed the door on me and then proceeded to walk through the fucking door again.
Yeah.
They do this. This is not the first time.
They keep getting away with this.
What's happening? Oh, what the? Oh, guy right there. I shot him in the face, by the way.
Put on my big boy pants! Look, I'm wearing a belt! I got big boy pants on! You take your lunch because you got big boy pants on?
My punishment continues to elude me, and I gain no deeper knowledge of myself.
NANI?!
What the fuck am I playing? You gotta be fucking. I can't fucking.
Can you get the fuck out of my face?
I was currently choking in Tarkov and died when you called. I literally watched this guy reload and then. Timmy Molester. Oh my god, I killed him.